Hi, I'm Tammy Holter, the CEO of Absolute Data Group. Welcome to the third video in the series on how the Skills M5 product suite can assist you in your SCORM e-learning delivery requirements. In the second video in the series, Rita and I demonstrated how easy it was to export SCORM training content to an e-learning PIF. In this third video, Rita will demonstrate how you can include that same training PIF in an S1000D IETP for training content out in the field.
Thank you, Tammy. In this presentation, I will use the R4I media generator to generate an IETP of content that is contained within the R4I CSDB repository. Inside the media generator, I currently have the System Information tab open. I have the name of my IETP, but I also have a section that's for the Skills M5 training data. I click on the Lookup button for this, and it will display a Browse folder menu, which allows me to navigate and find my training content. So what I've done is, inside this skills training directory, I have a copy of all of this training that I wish to include as SCORM PIFs. I select OK for this content, go to my info sets and select my info sets that I wish to include. I then go to my Preferences tab. I have it set up that when I produce an IETP, I will have a splash to display, and I've also got it set that there's a cover page that will be the default page to view when I first load up the IETP. And inside my labels, I've set my fourth tab to be training. So once you've created all your training content, you upload it, you need to have a training tab so that you can view that content. Go to my Progress tab, click on Start. Now I've previously generated this, so I want to delete my content to continue. So go Yes. And what's now being done is the generation of the IETP, including training content. So once this is completed, we'll then be able to view this content. Okay, and there we go, the IETP has now been generated. I'm going to close my media generator and minimize my CSDB. Inside my viewer, I have my offline directory already set to the IETP that I wish to view. Click on Offline Connect. My splash displays and my cover page displays. So I'm currently on my User Guide tab. I can now go to my Training tab. Click on the lesson that I wish to view, and my lesson content then displays, and inside this I have a link to a data module that is contained within my user guide content. So I can click on that link and it will now open up the data module that is contained within the IETP repository, and I can view this content. So I can now see my technical content. When I'm finished, I can then continue going back into my training and do the refresher course. This completes the presentation on how to view training content within an IETP using R4I Viewer.
When you need to deliver mission-critical information, ADG's software, training and professional services will assist you to deliver on time, every time. Aerospace, defence, legal or engineering, your requirements are as unique as your organisation. We are smart content. We are ADG.